Welcome back to another episode of Let's Talk About EDC. Top 5 carry items. Top 5 carry items on my list. Number one. Flashlight. Yeah, gotta be able to see. Got to be able to see. And I don't know what it is about a flashlight. I gotta have it. It's number one on my list. And this is the Nitecore Tiki GITD glow, or GITD, glow in the dark. Yeah, GITD, glow in the dark. Okay, glows in the dark. You're gonna see. You're gonna find out. You're gonna find out. But yeah, this is my Viperade pack out. And I just want to know, where would a flashlight rank on your list? Number 1, number 2, number 3, number 4. The sign fell. I knew it would. Deep book a doodle. Okay, let's get these lights off. Get this shots for you and get you up out of here. So Nitecore Tiki LE. Nope, this is the Nitecore Tiki glow in the dark. You can see it's already starting to glow in the dark. That thing got good fluorescent. Look at that, it's already starting to glow in the dark. But 400 lumens. I put some magnets on it so I can magnetize it to wherever I want to. But it looks like a little flashlight in hand. Button right there. 400 lums right there. Bam. Moonlight. Low. Medium. High. Off. Triple click. We'll go to the auxiliary lights. There's your glow in the dark. Ooh, that green looks nasty. Glow in the dark. That's dope. Hit it again. White light. Hit it again. SOS. Save me. Save me. Save me. You see it's already glowing. And then there's your green. Hit the button. And there's your glow in the dark. Okay, Nitecore Tiki GITD. Glow in the dark. But yeah, flashlight. Where would it rank on your list? Would it make your top 5? We'll leave the conversation right there. If you like the video, reverse. We'll leave the conversation right there. If you have anything to add, drop a comment below. If you like the video, you know what to do. If you want to subscribe, have at it. Thank you for watching. Have a blessed day. EDC. Over and out.